Good morning, everyone. Today we'll do Siman Reish Nun Vov. It only has one chapter. You know, those days people used to work in the field, or you have even stores. I remember as a child, there used to be somebody to go with a shofar, with a shofar, somebody would go chatutzra, to tell the people, you know, to close the stores. And why? In order to prepare themselves for Shabbos. So it's brought the Gemara in Shabbos, Daf Lamed Hey. They used to do six tkiyot, 6 times. They used to blow the shofar. כשהיו ישראל ביישובן, היתוקים בערב שבת 6 תקיעות. 6 times they used to blow the shofar, כדי להבדיל את העם מן המלאכה. In order to hold people back from doing work. Now today, outside Jerusalem, we do 20 minutes. You have the blowing, you know, the big, you have the siren of Shabbos. In Jerusalem, the custom in Jerusalem was 40 minutes extra. And why it was like that? In order to hold back people that work. And the reason was 40 minutes because half an hour of short zmaniyot of the clock, that type of clock, it's really 40 minutes in our clock. And that's it became 40 minutes. But the world, outside of Jerusalem, they do 20 minutes before Shabbat, before Shkia, they hold back to do work. What happens if somebody from Jerusalem goes outside Jerusalem, or somebody from outside Jerusalem comes to Jerusalem, since it's not a really minhag that, you know, that somebody you're building on, so l'choira, you're allowed to, you don't have to keep the custom, you keep the custom wherever you are. And all this we're talking about of somebody that is a free man. But when you have when you're a worker, so really you're obligated for a full day. So you have to hold back before Shkia time that you could fill up chavit, you know, a jar of water, and to roast litzlot dag, small fish, and to light the candles. And on that, the shofar, the blowing the shofar, was those people that really weren't that working. So basically, that's why the 20 minutes or the 40 minutes, that comes to those people. Even though you're a full worker, you can't work till shkia like a regular time. That time you have to give 20 minutes or 40 minutes. You don't have to, but it's not like you're stealing from your master. הגויה, ונהגו בקהילות הקדושות שכל שהוא סמוך לשבס, כחצי שעה או שעה, מכריז שליח ציבור, להכין את השבת. In a lot of communities, they used to announce, those that, you know, Shabbos coming close, please, don't work, you know, hold yourself before Shabbos. That's instead of the blowing the shofar, but that's what it looks like. It's a minhag, but doesn't have like a source or something that obligated. Comes out the Mishnah Brurah says very strong. Those groups that come and hold people back from working before Shabbos, you should know, they'll have such a schus. The what? Lebanim gdolei Torah. They'll have children that be masters of Torah. So people that hold people back, not Gedoyle Torah. That's the language. Look at the Mishnah Brurah. It says, bring the Mishnah Brurah in the end. That's the last line. Kehem mezakim it is anybody that, you know, mezaket, the Jewish people, the Yidden, for, you know, the master of the world, of the universe, they'll have the schus of what? That there will be Gdoileter. What's the source? So the Sharatzim brings the source. Yeah? The Gemara says, Azor bener, aval lebanim tamud chachomim. Yeah? So he says, if you want, not only that when you hold yourself to make sure you do Shabbos earlier, for sure if you mezake arabim, you tell other people to do earlier, for sure you have the schus. And where's the source? It's brought by Shmuel, Gebel Kana. They used to go to the regel every year. Used to go to and tell everybody come and to be mezairos people in order to the midst of what avaliyah la regel. And what happened? What he had the schus? He had a child. Who was his child? Shmuel. Shmuel Badir was master. like Moshe and Aaron was worth it. So again, so you see that somebody's Mizakeh Arabim is a big school, especially that's something of Shabbos that people are very weak. Says the Mishnah Brurah, another one point that I want to mention. Most people think, till they don't do Baruch Hu, that's, Baruch Hu generally you do towards Kriyat towards late. So you say, I can work till then. People do mistake. That's not true. It has to be earlier. And that's where you have the siren. Also for the man, also. The siren is really for the man. Not then to go to the shower. That time you have to be ready to go, and to really prepare yourself to be in shul. The brisk Rav used to be 20 minutes before Shabbos, was sitting down on his porch, waiting for the Shabbos.
Rav Shlomo taught us, your brother taught us to get to the shul 2 hours before Shabbos and sit and learn before Shabbos. Because he said when you rush for Shabbos and Shabbos comes in, it's not the same thing as when you're all ready and you're set and you're learning 2 hours before Shabbos and Shabbos comes in. Makes the whole Shabbos different story than rushing for the last minute.
When you make a vessel, so then you accept all the Kedusha of Shabbos. Shabbos is so holy, so perfect. That's the source for all the blessings. For health, for parnasa, whatever you need. And I want to wish everyone, a good day today. Bezrat Hashem. A day of learning and only good news. Bezrat Hashem. Bezrat Hashem. Thank you.